Lenovo's Legion series has consistently impressed gamers with their powerful hardware, sleek designs, and competitive pricing. Here are the top 5 Lenovo Legion gaming laptops that offer exceptional performance and value. Number 1. Lenovo Legion 5 Gaming Laptop. Personal experience. I've had the pleasure of using the Lenovo Legion 5 for a significant period, and I've been consistently impressed by its performance. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor delivers excellent multitasking capabilities, and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050Ti graphics card handles modern games with ease. The 15.6 inches FHD display offers vibrant colors and good viewing angles. The Legion 5's build quality is solid, and the keyboard is comfortable for extended gaming sessions. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a reliable and affordable gaming laptop that can handle most modern games at high settings, the Lenovo Legion 5 is a great option. It offers excellent value for money and is well suited for casual gamers and those on a budget. Number 2. Lenovo Legion Pro 7 iGen 8. Personal experience. While I haven't had the opportunity to personally use the Legion Pro 7 iGen 8 based on its specifications, it's clear that it's a powerhouse designed for high-end gaming. The Intel Core i9-13900HX and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 are a formidable combination, capable of handling even the most demanding games at maximum settings. The 16 inches QHD Plus display with a 240 Hz refresh rate provides a smooth and immersive gaming experience. Should you buy it? If you're a serious gamer who demands the absolute best performance and are willing to invest in a premium laptop, the Legion Pro 7 iGen 8 is a worthy contender. It's a top-tier gaming machine that offers exceptional performance and features. Number 3. Lenovo LOQ 15 Gaming Laptop. Personal experience. I haven't had personal experience with the Lenovo LOQ 15, but based on its specifications, it seems to offer a good balance of performance and affordability. The 13th Gen i7-13700H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card should be capable of handling most modern games at high settings. The 64GB RAM and 2TB SSD provide ample storage for your games and files. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a mid-range gaming laptop that offers solid performance and features, the Lenovo LOQ 15 is a viable option. It's a good choice for gamers who want to enjoy high-quality gaming without breaking the bank. Number 4. Lenovo Legion Slim 5. Personal experience. I haven't had personal experience with the Legion Slim 5, but it appears to be a well-rounded gaming laptop that offers a good balance of performance and portability. The AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS and GeForce RTX 4060 provide solid gaming performance, while the slim design makes it easy to carry around. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a portable gaming laptop that can handle modern games at high settings, the Legion Slim 5 is a good option. It offers a good balance of performance and portability, making it suitable for gamers who are always on the go. Number 5. Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Personal experience. While I haven't had personal experience with the IdeaPad Gaming 3, it seems to be a budget-friendly option for casual gamers. The AMD Ryzen 5660H and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 provide decent gaming performance, and the 120Hz display offers a smoother gaming experience compared to traditional 60Hz displays. Should you buy it? If you're on a tight budget and are looking for a basic gaming laptop that can handle casual gaming, the IdeaPad Gaming 3 is a suitable choice. It's a good option for those who are new to gaming or don't have demanding gaming needs.